The Hyundai Venue's infotainment system integrates navigation, multimedia, and connectivity features. Like any computer, it can sometimes experience glitches such as freezing or unresponsiveness. A soft reboot involves pressing and holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black, then restarts. This clears temporary glitches without losing your data. A factory reset erases all user data, restoring the system to its original settings. Access it through the Settings menu under General, then Reset. This addresses corrupted software, but requires backing up data first. For a completely unresponsive screen, check connections like USB ports or enter safe mode by pressing volume up and power during startup. Do not attempt DIY disassembly, as it may void your warranty. Recent software updates, as of October 2025, have reduced the need for resets by addressing stability issues. However, these remain a crucial troubleshooting step. Always perform resets when the vehicle is parked for safety. For a soft reboot, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. This clears temporary glitches. To factory reset, navigate to Settings General, Reset Factory Data Reset. Be aware that this erases all personal data, so back it up beforehand. If the screen is completely unresponsive, try a soft reboot first. Some users have reported success holding the power button while connected to a charger to enter a recovery mode. If none of these work, the issue might be hardware-related, requiring a visit to a Hyundai dealership. Remember, tampering with the system yourself can void your warranty.